this is my mom. In front of her are 3 dishes, but only one of these dishes is made by me. And since it's Mother's Day, I wanted to cook something special for my mom. But more importantly, I wanted to test how well she knows me. So, the 3 of us are gonna be making 3 different dishes, and we'll see if Edward's mom can correctly guess which dish is cooked by her son. If she guesses correctly, then she will win a Mother's Day dinner for her and her son on me and Mike. But if she guesses either of us, then Edward will have to call us daddy for the rest of the week. What?
So today I chose to make a dish that I know how to make and that I've trained with a master chef for, which is the Gong Cao Ngao Ho.
I've chosen to make Edward's mom a very special dish to her and Edward, and that is dumplings.
So the dish that I've chosen to make my mom is a signature that she used to always make, and she still makes a lot, steamed egg. So it's a traditional Cantonese steamed egg, except there's a twist. My mom loves to put soy sauce all over the top. And I don't think that's a common thing. I think that's my mom's specific.
Add the sauce on a steamed egg. Add the sauce on a steamed egg.
It's basically like a stir-fry noodle that is very popular among Cantonese people. And so that's why I've chosen to make it for his mom, because she's Cantonese as well.
Edward always brings up the story about how he knows how to fold dumpling because he always makes it with his mom. It's like a sun bonding activity. And my strategy is to take that sun bonding activity and make it seem like I'm the son.
Hello， 我係 Edward 媽咪啊！我今日冇乜信心估到邊碟係 Edward 整嘅，因為咧佢冇整過俾我食，所以我都唔知道邊一碟，所以斷估啦，希望估中啦，1/3嘅機會估中咯。
Do you think they'll be able to throw your mama?
Bro, it doesn't matter how confident the guys are. That's my mom. I spent 27 years of my life with her. I know what she makes, I know what she likes. I know exactly how to communicate to her, hey, your son made you this dish with love, and now Mike is showing me to lose, for sure.
I'm gonna be making Edward's mom some bomb-ass chive pork dumplings. Yeah, that's right. Let's do it.
Before you start cooking, like last time, you're gonna have 30 minutes, okay?
At least let me just like...
I think that's enough.
Oh yeah, look how fast I'm going, baby.
Boom.
Yo, these guys thinking coming into my house and fool my mom and break up this amazingly tight mother-son 兩母子關係? Bro, this is tripping. Yo, dude! Yo! Now I gotta do arts and crafts. Bruh. Yo, what kind of scallions are these? Yo, Ronnie, why'd you buy me scallions that are so strong? It's indestructible, bro. You brought me indestructible scallion, man. People are making armor out of the scallion, bro. I overheard Edward's never cooked for his mom before. It's gonna be so sad that the first time Edward cooks for his mom, he's gonna be overshadowed by me. Guys, here's my secret to get my mom to know that this dish is mine for sure. I'm using RO filtered water, and I'm not sure if the other guys did, but my mom will be able to taste the quality of this water for sure, and then she'll know I did it for her. That's right, not just any water filter, but this here is the Waterdrop G3P 800 reverse osmosis filter, which means that this integration is gonna be refreshing. Oh, that's good. That's good. And safe, because this filter monitors water quality in real time and reduces chlorine, radium, iron, and other harmful things that are bad for you to drink. Now, it does this through a UV LED function that has a 99% sterilization rate and a 9-stage filtration system. Now, I'm not a filter expert, but 9 stages sounds like a lot of filtration. Now, not only do I think this is amazing, 7 other certification boards around the world agree as well. They performed over 300 tests on this filter to make sure that it keeps your water top quality. Honestly, it should be certified on aesthetics as well, because this sleek tankless design keeps your kitchen looking amazing. The filter has a high 800 gallon per day flow rate and filters a cup of water in just 6 seconds. Let's test it out. But the best part is that this Waterdrop filter actually saves you money in the long run because it lasts way longer and produces significantly less wastewater than its competitors. You can monitor the status of your water and the filter easily from the smart faucet. And it also works great as a Mother's Day gift to your mom. So keep your water safe at home, save money, and check out Waterdrop's G3P 800 reverse osmosis filter with the link in the description box below.
No, you're too good, bro. Too good.
This is a really important step. Mix warm water 2 cups with the eggs.
Yo, I'm done. I'm done, bro. If my dish ends up fooling Edward's mom,
I am going to make Edward call me his daddy for the rest of this week.
then I'm gonna make Edward call me daddy for the week.
That's kind of weird, right? Is that weird?
Okay, it's fine. Once I'm done, everything is way fast. But yeah, guys, this is my favorite. This is one of my favorite Cantonese dishes. And also, if you speak Cantonese, if you can speak a little bit of Cantonese and you want to learn to speak conversationally fluent Mandarin in just 6 weeks, I can help you by showing you how you can leverage your Cantonese to learn Mandarin. Seriously, it's better than any other method out there. So if you want to speak Mandarin, you speak a little bit of Cantonese, DM me on Instagram or link down below. I want to learn Mando, and I'll give you all the details.
Pour a quarter of the... Oh my god, pour a quarter of the warm water into the eggs and mix until bubbles starts forming at the top? Yo, I should have went first, man. No.
Oh my god, I'm sorry.
Oh no, bro.
Yo, I should have read it first, bro.
Oh no.
No.
Amazing.
Okay.
In the middle, right?
We're trying to wrap it like Edwards.
How much time? 2 minutes?
2 minutes. 2 minutes left.
I think I got enough time.
Is it floating? Is it in it?
Yeah, it's pretty
Did it spill?
Nah, it looks good, bro.
More the sauce. It goes in. This is where the flavor comes in. I actually killed it. I'm not kidding. I killed it.
What do you do now?
That's it.
Look at the placement. Come on now.
Sure.
While as much as I'm here, I'm looking at these guys. They're using my mom's chili oil to try to convince my mom that's hers. Well, then I'm gonna use it as well, and I have the other stuff to convince my mom that that's the dish.
I'm gonna give myself a pat on the back because I think I did an absolute amazing job, okay? Way better than the luro fan that I cooked for Sandy.
I think it turned out pretty damn good. Like it looks like it tastes pretty authentic. It tastes good, it looks good. It's like, it's gonna hit her Cantonese roots.
I did everything I possibly could, from the dish choosing, to the flavor, to the presentation itself, my dish itself. Feeling pretty confident about it.
睇落都幾好。
試下
等我試下先啊。
好啊，好啊。
啲味 OK 喎。
Yo,
不過如果我再試下用我整嘅辣椒醬落去試下，可能更加好食。
yo. What's my mom saying? My food is trash without her like chili oil.
因為係你啲辣椒係咪？
係啊，我整嘅辣椒油。
係。
嗱，你睇下。
哇，好靚啊
！1分係最差，10分係最好。你俾佢幾多分啊
？7分到啦。
That's an Asian fail.
我估呢個係 L，
估係 Edward 點解？
因為 L 知我係咁整。
Just wait.
我估呢個係 L。
Edward，OK，好。
My mom. Is that your mom?
好靚啊！
好靚
覺得又幾靚，啲皮冇爛到。
係啊，冇爛到。
I even folded the way, you know, I watched the video and see how you folded it, and it folded the way that you folded.
之前你哋整過公仔麵餃子，呢個餃子似唔似 Edward 今次整嘅？
唔似呢個唔似，
靚啲啊呢個。
因為我同 Edward 包嗰啲型咧唔係咁嘅。
What she say? She's saying the shape is not the same as what I did. Mike, bro. I thought you knew how to wrap like Edward. I did.
Stop the cap.
啲味 OK， 咁我試下辣椒醬加落去先。
Yo, your mom did your chili oil, bro. It's hers, man. She made it. She's sticking to your chili oil.
So cute.
唔錯。
你而家估下咧，呢個係咪好似 Edward 整㗎？
Yes, it is. It is Edward. This is
Come on, that's Edward.
呢個唔係。
No.
因為包嗰啲嘅手勢咧唔似咯。
唔似啊？
係啊。
Edward 咧
我同上次同 Edward 包嗰啲咧係唔係咁嘅款嘅？
嗯。
我諗呢個係啊
She's gonna say my name.
阿咪整嘅。
點解咪？
因為阿咪係北京人。 佢屋企咧成日整水餃，我俾呢個餃子咧，我俾咗8分佢。
Oh my god, bro, your mom, yo.
That's not Mama's fucking goal. Yo, just wait. Yo, wait. I got it. Wait till your mom tries this meal, bro. This meal is gonna get it, bro.
Auntie 呢個係咩嚟㗎？
炒牛河，阿 Sheldon 整嘅，梗係。
邊個？
睇落去咧就嗱，你睇下，幫我講真話得唔得啊？我怕我講真話，阿 Sheldon 唔中意啊。
冇問佢。
問題啦，對唔住啦 Sheldon。好睇落去唔好睇啊，賣相唔靚，你睇下。賣相唔靚。個賣相真係好難睇，炒牛河邊度似啊
I believe in you. Don't listen to him.
睇啲牛肉睇落去就好韌啊，炒到，仲有啲河粉咧咁去色嘅，同埋咧碎咗。嗱，我試下嚇。
She's thinking very intently.
好難食，可能係啲粉問題啊！唔好意思啊 ，Sheldon 真係唔好怪 Auntie 啊，講老實話呢個我覺得真係。
So today I just make a dish that I know how to make and that I've trained with a master chef for.
你俾呢個乾炒牛河咩分啊
？3分。
3分。OK， 不過加咗嗰啲
我知啊。
係。
我都係俾6分嘅啫。
6分？哇！
俾6分啊！我估得啱唔啱咧
？You'll see 我陣間話俾你聽。
Yes, wait. She might change last week. My mom, still my mom. Okay. Trust me.
OK, Auntie， 你覺得邊碟最差？
最差係呢碟。
呢碟。
啊，乾炒牛河，你睇下。
最差 the worst.
最差。
Begin your villain arc, bro. Begin your villain arc. Like, yo, my villain arc's starting, bro. I'm mad, bro. I'm mad.
呢兩碟餸，你覺得邊碟係 Edward 整嘅？
呢個 Edward 整嘅。
咁快咁 confident， 咁快咁 confident。
That's a mom.
餃子係阿米個餃子整得幾好，如果加埋辣椒油食咧，更加開胃。我估咧最後咧，我都係覺得呢個係我仔整嘅。
OK, Auntie， 我而家帶嗰個人入嚟啦。Alright, dish number 1, come out.
Go.
最叻個媽咪，全世界最叻個媽咪。媽咪你贏咗，
係咪啊？兩妹子贏咗啊！點解你知道係阿咪唔係你？
有咁差咩？知道這是我的，有咁差咩？嚇？
點解？唔好意思。
真係有咁差咩？
係啊，真係唔好意思。我係咪有獎品啊嗰日？
有啊。獎品咧，因為你估得啱咧，係我同你可以出去食飯啊！
食飯？
係啊。
好。
佢哋兩個請你食飯啊。
Thank you.
No problem. Happy Mother's Day! If you guys enjoyed today's video, then
Click here to see if my girlfriend can guess my cooking.
and click here for a video that you two think you'll love. Peace.